After you apply conditional formatting to your sheet, you want to be able to edit or delete them. Then come up here on the Home tab to the Styles group, click on Conditional Formatting, and go down to Manage Rules, and it opens up the Rules Manager. And with my current selection, there's no conditional formatting that's being applied to it, so it doesn't show it down below. But there is conditional formatting, as you can see behind the window here on the worksheet. So click on the drop-down arrow and say this worksheet, and we got a total of 3. So if you want to delete one, go ahead and select it, click on delete, click okie dokie, and it's gone. I'm going to go ahead and undo that because, let me go back to the Manage Rules and do it for this worksheet. I want to explain something else in just a minute. You can also edit the rules, so like with the stars here, select it, click on Edit, and in the Edit Formatting Rule window, choose a different style if you want, choose a different icon set, click off, and also you got some different values that you can set for the star, like if it's going to be solid, it's got to be greater than or equal to 67, and to meet the halfway star, it's got to be less than 67 but greater than or equal to 33, and then anything less than 33 is going to be 0, no color. I'm going to go ahead and click Cancel. And you can also create a new rule from this window, which is a more advanced feature, and we'll talk about that in a later training video. When you click on it, you get different types of options. Let's go ahead and close out of that. And then notice we've got these up and down arrows here. If you have more than one conditional formatting rule applied to the same range, and there are conflicts, the rule that's above the other will have higher precedence. So what I'm looking at is that this rule right here is the same range as this rule down below. But because this one is up on top, it takes higher precedence, so I'm just seeing the arrows. If I want to see the stars, then I can select that and click up, and then click Apply, and it updates because that takes precedence over the same range, as opposed to the one that's now in the hierarchical structure below the one that's on top. So if you want to toggle in between the two, just go ahead and change the order thereof. That way you don't have to go ahead and select one and delete it and have to recreate it later on. Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel, get notified of the latest videos, and for only $2 a month, you can have access to all my Microsoft Office training videos.